Apple's latest research shows their model can identify heart murmurs with over 95% accuracy, potentially turning the Apple Watch into an even more powerful health screening tool. This development builds on the company's existing cardiovascular monitoring capabilities. While the Apple Watch already tracks irregular heartbeats and can perform basic ECG readings, this new research points towards more sophisticated diagnostic abilities. The breakthrough comes from Apple Research Labs' machine learning model called 2D-CNN-MTL. It processes heart sounds with greater precision than previous approaches. Now, for those not in the know, heart murmurs affect millions globally, and they traditionally require in-person medical visits for detection. They represent unusual sounds heard during a heartbeat, often described as whooshing or swishing noise, resulting from turbulent blood flow across heart valves. Doctors typically rely on stethoscopes during physical exams, sometimes followed by more detailed tests like echocardiograms. These murmurs are categorized as either innocent or abnormal. Innocent murmurs are common, especially in children, and typically do not indicate any heart problems. They can occur during periods of rapid blood flow, such as exercise, pregnancy, or growth spurts, and often resolve without intervention. Abnormal murmurs, however, may signal underlying heart conditions like valve abnormalities, congenital heart defects, or other cardiovascular issues. These murmurs warrant further medical evaluation to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. This Apple development represents another step in their broader trend of consumer devices taking on more sophisticated health monitoring capabilities. As these technologies mature, they're creating new possibilities for preventing care and continuous heart health monitoring. The integration of this feature into future Apple Watch models remains unconfirmed, but the research suggests that sophisticated heart monitoring tools may soon be literally at hand for millions of users worldwide. The company's research team emphasizes that this technology isn't meant to replace medical professionals, but rather to serve as an early warning system. The software could alert users to subtle changes in their heart sounds, prompting them to seek proper medical evaluation when necessary.